We're about to do this right here. And then we got the pallet over here. This is Palmetto St. Augustine's, good for the shade. So we gotta do that side over there, and then this right here as well. So we'll probably use a string trimmer to weed eat this, and then the ground is kind of compacted. We'll till it and then make it look nice. But yeah, it's the little project we got today. Alrighty guys, so this is the tiller machine that we use to till the ground. And I'm gonna show you how we till the ground before we install your sod. As you can see, the ground is a bit hard, so that's why we till right there, so we can get that old ground loosened up. And you can hear the tiller struggling a little bit since it's sand. So we do that in order for the roots to get established, and then we put the brand new soil. We always take it up a notch, and we always use a tiller. That's how it'll look. Just till. Alrighty, so we pretty much just prepped this section right here, and this section is pretty much ready for sod. And like I said, with all our installs, we bring you a premium topsoil and of course premium grass pallets as well. And like I said, this one's ready for prep, and we just pretty much tilled over here. And this is the same process that we do on every home. We always like to treat your home like if it's ours, with care. And this is already tilled up right here, and then it's ready for topsoil. As you can see, the ground was a bit hard, and then you know, we tilled it up so it could be soft. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install new topsoil here, and then yeah, I'll be back right now whenever we're pretty much done with the prep, so you can check out how we're installing the grass. This side's pretty much completed as well for prep work. Now, I don't know if it's gonna go all the way to the back, but we pretty much prepped the whole ground all the way to the back. But the main priority right now is the front, which is that one over there. And then we're gonna start from here, that way. And then now we gotta put some underneath there. So we'll probably just rake that and make it look good. Alrighty guys, so this is the end result. You've pretty much seen the process that we're doing. Like I said, it's pretty much tilling, installing the topsoil, and this is how your new lawn will look. Or, you know, in this case, we only did a patchwork. The customer only wanted us to do this side because the HOA was giving him trouble. So we patched that up, as you can see. Let me focus on there. You can see the green grass, and this is Palmetto St. Augustine. Is good for shady areas, and yeah, so that's that side, and then we did this side as well. You could tell, and all the customer has to do is just water. We make sure his door was opening and closing as well. And I'll go ahead and stand from this side so you could take a look at it, because a lot of sun right here. And that's pretty much how it looks. Let it focus a little bit. There we go. So yeah guys, this is Pee-wee's Lawn Care. If you're looking for grass installations, we pretty much do everywhere here in Houston. We go all the way up to Louisiana as well, Beaumont. And yeah, you can check our website at peeweeslawncare.com.